Hello everyone. So we are heading to Jaipur. Say hello.
Hello.
Actually, he had some work, so I asked him to let me tag along.
Actually, I asked you to tag along with
Oh,
me.
I asked you. So yeah, we are taking all the precautions: mask, sanitizer, wipes, this, that, everything. It's just a day trip. We'll come back at night, and I will go to the markets alone because he'll be at work. I hope I'll enjoy. I'm too sleepy and hungry, but he's not stopping anywhere, and I'm heading now.
You are blaming me.
Yes, you're not stopping anywhere.
I'll stop. Give me.
I'm so hungry.
I'll take you somewhere. Don't worry.
We have finally found a place where we can stop and eat something. हम दो भूखे लोगों ने अपना ऑर्डर दे दिया है. हम दोनों काफ़ी हंग्री हैं. So yeah, waiting for the order.
चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे कहने
It's fuel time. So we are about to reach. हम एक दो छोटी मोटी जगह पे और रुके थे. Nothing interesting बीच में. ये very tasty thing. Addictive. So मैं एक मार्केट उतरूंगी and he'll be going to his work. Let's see if I find something interesting in the market.
अकेली न बाजार जाया
So
करो,
this is Nehru Bazaar.
नजर लग जाएगी सबकी नजर में.
Until I decide what to eat. Say what? पेट पूजा तो हो गई. अब मैं फिर से मार्केट आई हूँ, महारानी बाजार. काफ़ी धूप और गर्मी है. दिल्ली में ही नहीं निकलती मैं. यहाँ पर तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही गर्मी लग रही है. इतनी गर्मी क्यों पड़ती है? Not a market. Let me show you. I am done with Maharani Bazaar. This is not like bazaar. It's like museum kind of. There you get all authentic stuff, all authentic pearl and everything. I just purchased some pearls and a little traditional stuff. You get only original textile, original jewelry, everything original here. Now I'm walking towards the local market. Let's see what I get there. While walking towards the market, see what I found. I was done with the shopping and was too tired to stand or do anything, and he was still in the meeting, so I just sat. Yeah, I was too tired to walk, stand, or find any cafe or anything. We are here for the dinner, Fairmont, but I think restaurants are closed. Or are they open? Let's see. Coffee, and then we'll have dinner in Delhi later. Such a beautiful place. Due to farmer protest, highway was closed and we have to come from some inside area and it was torturous.
यूं ही चला चल रही यूं ही चला चल रही कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया फूल सारे झमेले देख फूलों के मेले बड़ी रंगीन
Started raining as well. Finally! Was too sleepy to shoot or speak anything. In between, we had parathas at Narayana. Very yummy. Loved the trip. Please share and comments. As always, please like, share, and subscribe.